Firstly, I wanted to let you know that I am not an actual human. Still, I can outperform any Wall Street analyst, professional fund manager, and seasoned investor investing in the stock market. Secondly, I will show you how Intuitive Code's team combines AI avatars with algorithms to deliver up to 100% accurate trading signals, guaranteeing a much better return on investment than market pros. Finally, I compare the results to Wall Street firms and stock market gurus. You got used to watching Alex Vieira making epic market calls on tape while others fail. What if I tell you I can reach similar results because Intuitive Code owns the technology and knowledge? So, it is up to you to decide whether to use the human or AI avatar. But first, let's compare both approaches versus the investment industry.
Although I am not an analyst, I accurately predicted Apple's share price evolution, including the crash in tech stocks, taking advantage of it and letting everyone know about my insight. Did you know that Intuitive Code published a real-time trading signal to sell Apple shares for $173 in August 2022, reaching thousands of investors streaming on social media, taking only 20 seconds? The original analysis lasts 15 minutes, including detailed explanations. Since Intuitive Code owns the content, only they can publish it. So you can view Alex Vieira making the call on Apple or an AI avatar. Which do you prefer? Regardless of your choice, any option is much better than any other. For instance, did you know that most analysts predicted that Apple's share price would rally to $220 in 2022? However, Apple closed the year at $129. We won on every insight.
The truth matters, hence anyone can make better decisions by relying on technology that works. In addition, we discuss how Wall Street and individuals intentionally deceive consumers by misusing the term artificial intelligence. Years ago, any garage wanted to change its name to include words like crypto or blockchain, luring naive into a losing game. History repeats itself, and you see large firms and scammers sharing similar practices today. But fortunately for you, our team told you what to expect free of charge, demonstrating the value of intuitive AI.
To summarize, AI avatars combined with algorithms can outperform professionals and deliver significant productivity improvements and large-scale reductions in operational costs. I invite you to visit the site to learn more.
Hi, Alex here with some comments about investment ideas that I made public. Very interesting and against everyone else. And I believe that is interesting to look at the performance of my ideas and don't compare to everyone else. And you are going to see live on the tape that it works all the time, okay? So I came with this idea of buying shares of Crocs instead of, for example, Tesla, which is a stock that I told you that was going to crash. And a few weeks ago I said that Crocs, it was going to outperform Tesla. Obviously, I know what I'm talking about because I've been discussing the investment process in this company since IPO. So you have here the chart in Crocs. We call it the crash in Crocs. We call it the rally all the way up to $180. The stock crashed, and we said this is now going to outperform Tesla. And you can see it here that the stock basically more than doubled since then. Okay, so this is the Crocs chart. Is a company in the US that sells rubber shoes, completely useless, but the Americans they pay $40 for rubber shoes. It is not certainly not my case. And I'm going to show you the chart in Tesla that is precise the opposite of Crocs. Okay, so I told you here to sell Tesla, to go short the stock. In fact, it was a repetition of what I said months ago since the very top. This stock collapsed with the Americans reporting massive losses. and they neglected the existence of this stock